Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're having an issue with your Webex camera not working or being detected on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this could occur for a variety of reasons, and in today's tutorial, we're going to go through how to hopefully resolve it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to disconnect it from the USB port that you plugged it into originally, and then either plug it back in or try a different port and see if that resolves the issue. You may also want to go on to the manufacturer's website and download applicable drivers or driver software packages that may be available for the WebEx camera. So that's something else I'd recommend taking a look into as well. And then finally, we can try opening up the search menu and search for settings. Best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select privacy and security. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath app permissions and select camera. Underneath camera access at the top, make sure that is toggled to the on position, as well as for the camera app in here as well. If you see anything of WebEx in the name of it down below, make sure that is also toggled to the on position. And then hopefully at that point, you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.